I'm Chris Picone. I'm a college mentor in Team 2791. I'm here from Latham, New York, and we're here to volunteer and watch the Indiana Robotics Invitational. We're playing Breakaway, which is the 2010 first robotics competition game. It's basically a variant of soccer where there's 12 soccer balls and 6 robots. 3-on-3, robots attempt to score the soccer balls in the goals on each side of the field. The field has some obstacles. There's 2 12-inch tall bumps in the field that make it hard to drive around and go between the parts of the field. And then there are 2 towers, so at the end of the game the robots can lift themselves in the air for bonus points. People come to robotics competitions because they enjoy competing. They've spent 6 weeks building a robot and they want to test against the best in the world. And IRI attracts people all over the country to compete at the same event. Some of the best soccer playing robots in the world are here. And it's just a great, fun event where all of the best come against each other. Running robots, it's an interesting experience. The first 15 seconds of the match are autonomous, so you don't have any direct control of your robot. You have to program it very well in order to get the robot to run correctly. Then for 2 minutes right after that is a teleoperated period where drivers step up behind the glass and use the joysticks to control their robots. It's an interesting challenge because it's hard to see parts of the field, so you have to make sure that you can control your robot even if you can't look at it at all times. Alright, in January, the teams receive the game and then have 6 weeks from that date to build their robot and ship it to first. In that time, they have to design the entire robot. There's no kit, there's no like pre-assembled parts. They have to come up with the designs on their own, build the robot, test it, program it, and ship it, which is an enormous challenge for all these teams. Teams often struggle to get their robots done. Some teams don't even finish in 6 weeks, but the best of the best, or the people that end up being right here at IRI, often get their robots done right in the nick of time in order to be competitive in the season.